sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead stowage bin to retrieve your items as these may have shifted during the flight. All passengers with connecting flights out of Manila will be given priority. Remain seated until your row numbers have been called upon deplaning. Passengers who need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Vives and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to remind everyone to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened while waiting for your row numbers to be called for deplaning. Thank you.
Nandito na ako sa Maynila. Sa gate 12 na naman ako waiting sa aking boarding sa papuntang Iloilo. Dito kami sa Terminal 2. Terminal 2. Gate 12. Waiting sa amin mamaya alas 6. 6:45 yung ano ko. 6:45 yung boarding namin.
On Air Asia flight Z2787. Please proceed to gate 16 or remain seated and wait for your next flight boarding.
And guys, dumating na ako. We are here in Iloilo. Ay, sorry. Di ko alam yung ang taga-sundo kung saan na andun yun sila hindi nag-reply sa akin. Nandiyan na yung nandiyan na yung taga-sundo ko, guys. Late yung taga-sundo. Nandiyan na silang dalawa. Nandiyan na dalawa. Ginawa pa? Ayan guys, nandito na kami. Dito na ako sa hotel, sa Zor Hotel. Andyan yung dalawa kong kapatid. Say hi! Ah. Ah, pamain guys. Pamain. Parehas pa sila gupit ng dalawa. Ito yung room namin. Ayan. Ayan, nandito. Sorry. Ayan, sorry. Sorry, hotel. Sorry. Ayan, dalawang bed. Ayan, dalawa palang bed. Sure. Ayan, solo. Single. May upuan. 6th floor tayo. Nasa 6th floor. Ayan. Harap pa natin yung andyan yung harap na yan. Ayan yung harap na yan guys, sa kabilang kalsada. Diyan ako lagi. Kasi yung pinsan ko diyan naka-opa, may opa. Pag nandito ako sa city, diyan ako pumupunta sa pinsan ko, diyan. Tapos yung kapatid ko dating babae, yung dito nagtatrabaho, nag-work dati. Yan, may diyan din yung niya. Yung opa, diyan sila nangungupahan diyan. Ayan, malapit lang ditong SM, lakad lang dito, malapit lang yung dito na side. Dito na side yung SM. Malapit lang yan dyan. Ayan. Ito yung view niya sa labas. Breakfast tayo bukas. Buffet. Eat all you can. Yes. Guys. Dalawa. Tapos yung CR. Ayan. Ano mayroon dito? May fridge. Ayan. Initan. May coffee. Gusto mag-coffee? Ayan, may coffee. Coffee ka mga doon. Wala naman. Initan. Walang laman yung ref. Mini ref. Please enjoy your complimentary bottles of water. Fine, but thank you for your cooperation. Smoking is 5,000. Yan, ito yung natin. 4 na towel, and then ito yung yung CR, ito yung liguan, shower. Ayan, shower. Simple lang, ito lang yung Hi everyone! Welcome back sa Iloilo. Hindi ako kumain. Hindi kayo itlog. Ganito kalaki yung room mo with bathroom. Okay na, di ba? Dapat. Palubat na ako, palubat na.